Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you one of Absolut's summer classics, the Elderflower Collins. Don't forget guys, click and subscribe because personally you, sat on the sofa right there, you don't want to miss out on any of these drinks movies. You got the fresh flavor of that floral elderflower that's nicely sweetened, fresh citrus juice in there which is going to balance it out, Absolut Vodka there, enhancing everything, topped with soda. This is a built drink, so no need to shake. We're just gonna go directly into the glass and give it a little stir. So we're gonna take 2 Collins glasses. You should never really drink alone, guys. Always drink responsibly. So we're gonna add 30 mils of fresh lemon juice per drink. Followed by the beautiful Elderflower Cordial. If you can't get Elderflower Cordial, just look harder. If you live in Sweden, you may be able to get some. This is fresh elderflower from just outside the house here. We want to put 15 mil in. And if you want to know how to make elderflower syrup, just go to the syrups video. We want 15 mil per drink. Next up, the bad boy himself, Absolut Vodka. You know the magic number by now, 45 mils per drink. Next, we're gonna ice this bad boy up. Get it as much icing as possible. Get it straight to the top. You want this drink to be super cold. And last but not least, we're gonna take some soda water. This is straight from a soda fountain. You can use bottled soda, totally up to you. Just the best possible soda you can get. And we just wanna top that up. We're gonna give this a little stir. Then we're gonna garnish it with a lemon wheel. So we're gonna go bomb, bomb, stick a nice little. And there you have another absolute classic drink for the summer. Elderflower is one of my personal favorite flavors in the world. And this is just unbelievably sublime. The Elderflower Collins. Thank you very much, guys.